Hey, good afternoon, everybody. How are you doing? Teleria Watkins here, coming to you live and in color from Blacklick, Ohio. Thank you very much. So as you come on, you guys, could you please let me know whether or not you are coming in on the replay? Also, go ahead and let me know where you are coming in from. I absolutely appreciate it, you guys. While you are coming on, hey Miss Galat, thanks for dropping by. While you are coming on, again, let me know where you are coming in from, and we are going to continue our series on Branding University and the 5 main principles that we cover. In the last video, we talked about the importance of branding and why we teach you branding. And today, you guys, we are going to talk about the second principle, which is audience building, and why it is important to build your audience, but not just any audience, right? A targeted audience that is full of people who actually are interested and want to get what you have to offer. Hey, Betty, Miss Jones, how you doing? Hey, Levine, thanks for dropping in. So listen, audience building is really important, and it's one of the reasons why it's the second point in the 5 principles that we discuss and teach in Branding University. A lot of people come online as marketers, and they expect that what's going to happen is they're going to post, their products, their services, or their opportunity, and they're going to get this internet flood of leads and sales, right? But what happens is your audience on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram is the same audience that you have offline. It's your friends and it's your family. It's your coworkers, people that you already know, and more than likely, there are people who you've already approached, right, about your products, your service, or your opportunity. And so that audience has already proven to be a cold market to your particular product, service, or opportunity. And so when you come online and you believe that all you got to do is post and then everybody on the internet is going to see it and jump on to your business, that's not how it works. Hey, Frimpong, thanks for jumping in. Hey, Linda, appreciate you dropping by. And so you have to actually build your audience, and you have to build your audience with targeted people. Hey, Antonio, thanks for dropping in, man. So Branding University, you guys, we're going to teach you about branding, and we're going to teach you about audience building. So again, why is audience building and targeted audience building so important? Imagine you are we have people at the farmers markets that grow bison, or they have bison at their farm. All right, they're bison farmers. No matter how good your bison is, you are never going to be able to feed that bison to a vegan. It goes against every single principle that they have. And so a vegan would not be in, for example, that market, the market for that particular farmer. However, if you had, beat up lettuce and bruised up tomatoes, you could literally sell that at premium prices to that vegan, and they buy it up because that is something that they are interested in. So you gotta build an audience that is going to be interested in what you have. Another real world example that I came up with. So let's say I was interested in Harley Davidsons. I got interested in Harley Davidsons, and I wanted to find people to hang out with who were also interested in Harley Davidsons. How would I do that? Where would I begin? For me, the first place I would go would be a Harley Davidson dealership, right? Because I need to get a motorcycle first. And so I would go over to the dealership and I would check out all the different types of Harley Davidson motorcycles that they offer. I don't even know what each different type of Harley is out there, right? But I know that if I go over to the dealership, they're going to have tons, and I actually might even be able to find out where some other people who like Harley Davidsons are. The second thing that I would do is probably join a motorcycle club, because then I'll be around other people who have motorcycles, and more than likely someone in that club is also going to have a Harley Davidson, and they may be just like me and really have a passion for Harley Davidsons, right? From there, I could probably find out if there are clubs where everybody has Harley Davidsons. So the more targeted and specific I get, the more my audience is going to like the same things that I like, are going to care about the same things I care about. So you want to build an audience who already wants what you have. What people try to do is they try to force an uninterested audience to like their products, to like their services, to like their opportunity. There are people out there already in your particular opportunity that has your products, that have your service, that are selling your products to somebody. There's someone who is offering your service and selling your service to somebody. There are people who are joining your opportunity out there. They're joining somebody in your opportunity. What you have to be able to do is find where that audience is, you guys. And what we teach in Branding University is how you actually go about finding that audience and putting your information in front of an audience that already wants what you have. That is absolutely the key. I mean, that is what we teach. That is what we do here. And that is what you're going to learn if you join Branding University. So I have some trainings that I've actually done where I actually go hands-on and show you how I build my audience, how I build my brand. And I'm going to enter those into a new group that I'm opening up called Marketing Matters, you guys. Marketing Matters is going to be a group where I have some trainings where I'll do some screen shares and walk you through exactly how I go about building my audience and how I set up my brand, my profile, and my brand. And as a matter of fact, if you actually go over to my fan page, Telerio and Lavanya, I already have some of those trainings on the fan page, and you can take a look at those trainings right now. I'm going to send them over to the group. As a matter of fact, what I'll do is I'll go and edit the description for this video so that you can just click on it. I'm sure Facebook won't mind. It's inside of Facebook. Hello, Yolanda. Thanks for stopping by. Facebook won't mind if I put that link right to the group, as well as to my fan page. That should be able to do that. And so I'll add those links in so that you can go over and join the group. I'll go over and like my fan page, and you can get those trainings that I've already done on these two topics, you guys. You want to make sure that, right, you build a targeted market for your audience, and then you want to be able to engage with that audience. And so that is going to be what we talk about tomorrow. Our third principle is connections, right? Making connections to the audience that you actually build. And so one of the other pieces in terms of audience building is, hey Kofi, thanks for dropping in, brother. With our audience building, we use our premier training, which is called Twitter Lead Machine. With Twitter Lead Machine, we show you on Twitter how you actually build your audience and how you actually build your brand. And so a lot of the principles that we use in Twitter Lead Machine, you guys, you can use on Facebook, you can use on LinkedIn, you can use on Instagram, you can use on Pinterest, right, to build your brand as well as your audience. And we teach you that in Branding University. in Branding University, we're launching it on August 20th. And right now, you can actually enroll for free. If you enroll for free, you get a free vlog that has a customizable welcome video, and then it also has dynamic content that is updated every single day. If you upgrade to a platinum membership, which is only $47 a month right now, used to be $77. On August 20th, it'll go back up to $77. It's only $47 now in our pre-launch phase. You will get a free vlog that is fully customizable, where you can change the welcome video as well as the other content and brand yourself however you want. You also will have access to our Twitter 1.0 as a free standard member partner, and that Twitter 1.0 was the preliminary precursor, right, to a lot of the Twitter training that is out there on the market right now. And that Twitter course teaches you how to build your audience on Twitter, how to engage with them, and how to move them into your sales funnel. Kofi, I'll definitely get that information to you as soon as this video is over. So you can use Twitter Lead Machine or Twitter 1.0 as a free enrollee. With a platinum partnership for $47 a month, you get Twitter Lead Machine, the full course, included in your membership. You also will receive training in character branding, attractive character branding. It was a course that we took, a 5-day course that taught us how to build our stories. Really quick about this course, it was really interesting what happened. So a couple of months ago, in April actually, we were on our way down to Florida for a Les Brown training event. Mr. Brown was giving, a full training on being a national speaker. And so we went to the training, and when we got there, he was literally talking about how you go about telling your story. At exactly that same time, Branding University was doing the weekly training, and that week we were training on building a attractive character for your brand, how you go about telling your story online. So those two things intersecting like that, I mean, either one of those could have been held at any other time, but for them to be happening at exactly the same time was just an exclamation point for me in terms of how important it is that you build your story when you're trying to market anything, right? You have to build a story. And so that just drove it home for me in terms of how important it really is. Hey, Marcus, thanks for dropping in, my friend. I appreciate it. Thank you. So you guys, as you're coming on, please let me know where you are coming in from. And if you jumped on late, you could definitely catch the replay. I appreciate it if you went back and caught the replay. This is some information. This is a little mini series that I'm going to do, and I've also directed several people to some additional free training that I have on my fan page as well as in my group. So again, Branding University, guys, we are in pre-launch. We officially launch on August 20th, and right now you can join for absolutely free, and then decide whether or not you want to upgrade to a platinum membership for $47 a month, where you will have access to tons of training, our Twitter Lead Machine course, our attractive character branding course. You guys, we have a video marketing course called Firestarter Mentoring Program that was super awesome. We are coming out with a LinkedIn influencer course soon, and you will get access to those courses with the platinum membership. And so it would be super good for you to jump on board with this university. Right now it's going to be a major player in the online branding sector, online marketing, and it's gonna be really, really big. So I appreciate you all for jumping on, and tomorrow I will be back with connections and how you go about actually engaging with your audience, and talking about what courses we have that will teach and help you make those connections. You guys, I appreciate you dropping in, and see you around the internet. Bye for now.